Have you ever noticed that newborn babies hiccup again and again? Don't worry, it's completely normal. A baby's diaphragm is still developing, and even small things like drinking milk too quickly, swallowing air during feeding, or a full tummy can trigger hiccups. The surprising part, most babies aren't even bothered by them. Instead of trying to stop the hiccups immediately, gently burp your baby after every feed and feed them in a calm, upright position. In most cases, the hiccups go away on their own. If hiccups last for a long time, happen with frequent vomiting, or your baby seems uncomfortable, consult your pediatrician immediately.